Hey everyone, welcome to Aegis Moto Adventures. I'm Mike. Today I'm going to be adding a spare tire carrier to the aluminum trailer. Let me show you what I'm going to be doing here. I've already gone ahead and primed and painted the actual mount for corrosion resistant. Likewise, these that act as backing washers, these plates here that are bent to give it some rigidity and stiffness to hold the extra weight, have also been painted. Another thing I've done, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but I've gone ahead and located and center punched for the holes here where the drill hole needs to go through. And I'm going to start out with a smaller drill, and I've got a nifty little tool here that allows you to align your drill bit so that it's square to the piece you're trying to drill through. That way, when I go through both sides of this extruded aluminum, I'll have a straight drill hole. I'll start out with just a small 3/32 drill bit to get a pilot hole started, and then I'll progressively drill larger and larger holes. I have the mounting holes drilled through now, and I've dry fitted it. However, the hardware that came with the kit was meant to put the spare tire on the tongue, and I'm putting it on the side of the trailer. So I'm going to head off to the local store here to buy me some stainless steel hardware to mount this. And here's what it looks like on the back side. Well, I have the spare tire bracket mounted now. I did add flat washers on the outside here that did not come with the kit. All this hardware is new and stainless steel, but that prevents the paint from getting scratched up when you tighten the bolts down. On the back side here, what I did is I went ahead and put a flat washer, a lock washer, split ring lock washer, and then the nylon locking nuts on it. So that's double locking protection there, so that should probably never come off. Here's what the mount looks like with the tire on it now from the trailer side. And here's what it looks like from the side of the trailer. Pretty neat mount installation. I think that's going to work out perfect for me. Well, this was a pretty easy installation, and this is a project that you can do at home by yourself with simple tools. Just a drill and wrenches. You should be able to accomplish this with no problem whatsoever. The only thing I would suggest is having that drill block, which I think I got mine off of Amazon, helps you drill those holes straight to begin with, which will make sure your alignment is correct if you're having to drill through, like I did here, 1.5 inch extruded aluminum. Well, if you like this video, please give it the big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, take care.